Hey Maggie, what you doing?
Nothing, just reading a magazine.
Why?
I'm just really bored.
You know what today is, right?
What?
Today's Maggie Mac's birthday.
Really?
Yeah, so how about instead of you sitting here all bored about it, we make her, I don't know, a birthday video?
That sounds like a great idea.
Yeah? Let's do it.
Happy birthday, Maggie Mac. Happy birthday, Maggie Mac. There's a girl, she turned 18. She is legal, she is legal, she is legal. She's the birthday girl, so let's go party. Vicky, this is no joke. She's gonna get drunk with me. We're gonna go juke now. Dance floor's open, body craving to be the hungry. We've been devoting ourselves to you. Wonder if could keep me at it. Starting to feel just a little abused like a coffee machine in an office. So I'm gonna go somewhere closer to give me a lover and tell you about it. There's a stripper in the closet. Open up and let him through. There's a stripper in the closet. Let it out, he's all for you. Sitting across the bar, staring right at her drink. It's going bad so far. She needs to find a drink. Hangovers are not so fun. She had 4 drinks, but should have one. Just for the birthday girl, I got me a special present. We were now look, we were cute little deals, and you guys are just fun and joy. I'm having a very good time in the heat, very bad in the arms of a boy. There's a stripper in your closet. Open up and let him through. Happy birthday, Maggie Mac. Happy birthday, Maggie Mac.
That's a really cool part.
She's legal, she's legal, she's legal. Happy birthday, Maggie Mac. Happy birthday, Maggie Mac. There's the girl, she turned 18. She is legal, she is legal, she is legal.